Hello guys. Today I will tell you how you can download Bluej on your laptop or PC and do Java programming for free. First go to your browser and search bluej.org. Click on the first website. Scroll down. Now select the OS of your device and click on it. Since mine is Windows, so I'll click on it. As you can see, downloading has started. After the download is completed, open the folder where you have downloaded. Then right-click on the setup file and click on Install. Wait some seconds. Now click on Next. Now select Install just for you. Tick all the three. Let the location of the files be as it is. Click on Install and the installation process will start. It will take some time. Click on Finish. After the installation process is completed, you can find the icon of Bluej on your desktop screen. If you liked the video, then please like the video and subscribe to the channel.